Hello everyone. In this video we are going to, as the title says, it's going to be a long range distance test in FCC. I'm just messing with the camera settings, sunny and other stuff. I mean, this is going to be an FCC flight, but made in Europe. It's with the modified app of the free flight to work on FCC in Europe. So it means we have more range, and I will not talk about it because there are many explanations in other videos about it. So the point here is I just want to make it a test of the range tests to see how far can I go with the Parrot Anafi. This video have some years. I didn't edit it yet, so now was the time to edit after a few years. And let's see how far can he goes. At first I was just messing with the camera, the settings of the camera, and I wasn't thinking of doing a long range flight, but just flying around. And then I decided to go far away because this is a lot of space going on here. It's just water and trees and so on. There's nothing here, so no interferences from other things. Then I decided to go in a straight line to see how far can I go. Let's do it. Oops, messing with the camera settings. There is not much wind in this day, so it's gonna be a flawless flight. Okay, zooming in. That's the place I will go now with the Parrot Anafi. So let's do it. Straight ahead. 74.9 meters altitude, about 30 kilometers per hour speed, already at 600 meters distance, 80 dB Wi-Fi signal, 87% power on the battery, 3 minutes flight, and I started at 18 hours or 6 p.m. in Europe. A lot of pitch, 37 degrees, and reaching already the other side of this. It's not a river, it's a dam. So I've already reached the land very easily, and we have done already 1 kilometer distance, more than 1 kilometer distance. Going east. Full speed ahead, or almost 40 kilometers per hour. Enjoy the view. I think the wind comes from the north because of the roll. You can see What is this? Start to break up the signal. As I said, the roll is less 3 degrees. Maybe the wind is from the north. By the reading of the graphics of the telemetry. Anyway, almost 2 kilometers distance. Nice place, full of water and woods. Let's turn a little bit to the right. 19 satellites. 2 kilometers distance in 5 minutes. It keeps going. Let's try to reach the 3,000 kilometers now. It's some breaks on the transmission and reception. Almost to 500 meters distance. 2,500 now. 85, 84, 83 dBs of Wi-Fi signal, less 85. 80 meters of altitude. Okay, the battery is about 71%. And keeps going easily, or almost easily. Almost 3 kilometers distance.
Que é isso? O teste de camar. O carro está todo demorado.
Desiste.
Okay.
Já nem stress com esta merda. Siga.
And 3 kilometers distance now. And keeps going without, or almost without problems. The transmission is already starting to break up. In this case I could go higher to have a better signal, but I didn't do that. Just because the power is at 67%, so we have to make the return. And it keeps going. Almost 3,400. Here we go. Keeps going without image transmission, but now at 3,495 meters distance, the Parrot Anafi returns, losing connection and returning. It's a nice distance. Certainly you could not do this distance in CE mode, so I believe in CE mode we can only do 1 kilometer or maybe 2, I don't know, doesn't matter anyway. And the video feed just went out. We are returning with 62% power, 20 satellites, 8 minutes of flight. .35 kilometers per hour speed. We have already flown 4 kilometers and 300 meters now. Wi-Fi signal 91, less light 91.
Para cá vem mais rápido em princípio porque está vento a empurrá-lo. Está a favor do vento. Quer dizer, já está a 2 km e tal. Sem transmissão de imagem. Sem mapa. 50%. Eu ouço, mas não vou.
Now the strange thing is we are 2,000 kilometers distance, 2,000 and a little bit more, but we don't have video feed. The video just went off and doesn't return at all.
Diga-se de passagem.
I think if I disconnect the USB cable and reconnect, I think the video feed will come back, but I didn't think about it at the moment, and the video signal just doesn't appear at all.
Eu ouço para ali qualquer coisa, não é?
Eu também ouço, mas não sei se é o teu.
Não, o meu foi para ali, para aquele lado. O meu não é. Está a 1 km e tal ainda. Acho estranho ele não apanhar sinal ainda. A 50% de bateria. Eu ouço qualquer coisa, mas não vejo nada. É?
Também ouço.
É drone. Não é barco, não é nada. Está a 1 km ainda, de distância. Está a regressar sozinho. Vem de além daquele vale. Há para ali um rio para ali, para aquele lado. 1 km de distância. 1,79, 69, 59, 49, 39, 29, 19, 1 km e 9. Também está a brincar com 900, 800 metros de distância. $700 metros.
É o teu?
Não, o meu vem de além daquele lado. Não penso. $500 metros.
So we are returning with 42% battery, with only 12 minutes of flight. 13 is this time. 41%, 13 minutes. And as you can see again, there's a little bit breeze from the north. We can see in the roll inclination.
Mas ouviu? Aqui por cima, olha aqui. Image return. Aqui por cima mesmo. Está a descer agora. Olha só, por cima da cabeça.
Tinhas que assistir.
Outra vez, um bocadinho. Não precisa porque eu não tenho ligação. storm coming in.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.